If you're considering buying Elexio Community for your church management needs, there are a few things you need to know before making a decision. In this video, we'll go over 12 key factors to consider and compare Elexio with other software options on the market. Stick around until the end, as we'll reveal a better alternative for church management that you can try for free. First thing, Elexio Community has a solid reputation for being user-friendly. Many church leaders appreciate its easy setup and intuitive interface. Compared to competitors like Planning Center or Breeze, it's often seen as simpler, making it ideal for churches that want to avoid complex, steep learning curves. Next thing, it's important to mention the pricing. Elexio offers a more affordable option than some competitors, but pricing can be tricky. While its base features are reasonably priced, many necessary add-ons can push the price up. It's important to review what's included in each tier before deciding if the value aligns with your budget. The third thing to consider is its integration capabilities. Elexio Community integrates with a variety of third-party tools like QuickBooks, MailChimp, and online giving platforms. However, compared to other software like ChurchTrack, you might find that the number of integrations is somewhat limited, which could be a deal breaker if your church relies on specific tools. The fourth thing is the mobile app. Elexio's mobile functionality is decent, but somewhat lacking compared to the sleek, feature-rich mobile apps offered by other platforms like Tithe.li or Planning Center. If mobile access is crucial for your church, this might not be the most robust solution for you. Next, let's talk about member management. Elexio Community shines in organizing church members, tracking attendance, and managing groups. It's relatively strong in this area, but competitors like Breeze often offer more advanced reporting features and customizability, which could be a deciding factor if you need detailed insights. The sixth thing to know is about the online giving features. Elexio does offer an online giving platform, but it's not as advanced or flexible as some competitors. If your church plans to scale online giving, you might find services like Tithe.li or PushPay better suited to meet your needs in the long run. The seventh thing is the reporting tools. Elexio provides basic reporting capabilities, but again, competitors like ChurchSuite and Planning Center have more sophisticated, customizable reports that could help you analyze church activities in greater detail. If you need in-depth data, you may want to explore other options. The eighth thing is customer support. While Elexio offers support, users report that response times can sometimes be slower than expected. In comparison, platforms like Breeze and ChurchTrack are known for offering faster, more responsive customer service, which can be crucial when you need help quickly. The ninth thing to consider is the volunteer management system. Elexio Community includes basic volunteer tracking and scheduling features. However, platforms like Planning Center excel in this area, offering more comprehensive volunteer management tools like automated reminders and easier scheduling. Next thing, customization. Elexio is limited in how much you can customize the system to fit your church's unique needs. Some other solutions, like ChurchTrack, allow for more personalization in terms of forms, reports, and workflows, which might make them a better fit for churches that need a more tailored approach. The 11th thing to think about is security. Elexio Community takes data security seriously, but some competitors, like Planning Center, go a step further with enhanced security features, including two-factor authentication and more granular control over permissions, which can be important for churches handling sensitive data. Finally, Elexio Community does offer a free trial, so you can test it out before making a commitment. But if you're looking for a more versatile, feature-rich church management software that scales with your church's growth, we recommend checking out our alternative solution, which you can try for free. In conclusion, Elexio Community is a solid choice for churches looking for an affordable, user-friendly church management software, but it's not the best fit for everyone. Make sure you weigh these factors before deciding if it meets your specific needs, and if you want a more advanced solution, check out the free trial of our recommended option.